Demetrius Johnson, Johnson VS Formiga. And here we go. Fight scheduled for 3 5-minute rounds. White trunks for Formiga, black trunks for Johnson.
One thing to keep an eye out for from Demetrius Mighty Mouse Johnson are his takedowns. He is very fast on his feet, closes the distance extremely well, and has fantastic takedown technique.
Great jab by Formiga. Nice straight punch.
He's doing a great job of being unpredictable and mixing things up here.
There's the jab. Oh, good connection by both men. And right to the Muay Thai clinch.
Battle for control here. And he transitions to his back. Looking for the choke, gets the arm into the neck, pulls him down to the ground. That choke is deep. That choke was tight. He got free. Wow. He's in full guard here. Well, look at that. Right back to his feet. Very nicely done.
Change of stance. Formiga with a solid jab. Trying to connect on that jab. Johnson with the inside leg kick. Caught him with a left. Johnson with a strong combination. He just missed with the straight right. Solid punch by Johnson.
Oh, double jab. There's the takedown. Got it.
Under 2.
Beautifully executed sweep. And back up again.
Big front kick, nicely done. Good connection by Johnson. That straight right just missed.
He's timing that jab brilliantly.
Looking to close the distance. Johnson with a solid takedown. Man, that right eye's really looking swollen. Joe, he's showcasing some great movement on the ground.
Wow, look at that.
How good is that? Formiga's trying for a submission here. Now he lost it. He's back up again.
Misses the takedown.
He blocks the punch. And he parries that shot.
Very good defense on display here. Very good blocks.
That caught him. First round in the books.
All right, deep breath, deep breath. Slow down, hurry down. Good? Okay, listen. He's timing you. You're getting a little too aggressive with the strikes. And every time you're going in and punching hard, you're bringing it.
And here we see a flying submission attempt. Let's see that from another angle. And here we see excellent timing.
Round 2.
Oh, and he goes up top with a kick.
Solid jab.
Look at this. Hard straight punch.
Wow!
Beautiful body shot there, too. He's teeing off with some vicious shots.
The flying knee. Joe, he's keeping very busy. Look at the numbers. Total strikes line.
Oh, and down.
Man, some nasty. Johnson going for a submission.
He's free from the guillotine.
He escapes and he's back on his feet. Solid jab by Johnson.
Look at this.
Good connection with the straight by Johnson. Great front kick to the face.
He's doing a really good job of timing these shots.
He scores with the knee.
Oh, good shots.
he gets the throw. Half guard.
Back up.
Snapping that jab. And he connects with the left. Those feints are the key to the success of his strikes tonight.
And he's got the single leg takedown.
Under 2 minutes.
He gets in a full guard here.
Back up. Got explosive jab. Oh, he lands the roundhouse to the body. Man, Joe, he's connecting to those punches.
Knee to the body here.
You know, Joe, vision has to have become a concern because both of his eyes are starting to swell very badly now. Formiga with a good punch. Oh, he's worked himself to double underhooks. He's in a better position here with the tie clinch.
Nice knee. Nice knee. Very nice. Well placed. And they disengage from the clinch.
Joe, that's a solid leg kick by Formiga.
High kick!
My!
He hurt him. He dives on him into the guard with that punch.
Great finish to round 2. Johnson Formiga's very lucky there.
He was saved by the bell, Mike. Big shot landed, went down. Very dangerous moment for him. Here's a vicious kick that results in a knockdown. Let's see if we get a better look at that from this angle. And here we see it from another angle.
The beautiful Ariani getting us set for round number 3.
Here we go, let's go. You ready? Are you ready? Let's
5
go,
minutes
go.
left in the fight. Who's going to win this round? Joe, nice knee to the body by Formiga.
Oh, flying knee!
Strong jab.
Oh! What an exchange!
Big punches landing. Great head kick.
Big straight punch.
And here we see the number of total strikes landed so far in the fight. Connected there. Trying to grab the leg, and he does.
And he lands a single leg takedown. Good scramble. Nice switch.
There he goes with a 1-2.
He's hurt!
Oh!
Wow! Rocked him with that right hand. He's out! Unbelievable! Look at this!
Demetrius Johnson, the victor.
Wow! What a statement that man just made! Brutal ground and pound for the KO. Let's see this again. Great angle here. Boom! And that is all she wrote.
Here is Bruce Buffer.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Mario Yamasaki's called a stop to this contest at 1 minute, 44 seconds of round number 3. Declaring the winner by knockout, Demetrius Mighty Mouse Johnson.
Demetrius Johnson wins by knockout.